Hi guys, welcome to Amali Vlogs. Today I'm going to talk about 5 job opportunities in Virginia. I know we all are passing a rough time and we all are going through this pandemic. Many of us are in the job market looking for job opportunities. So I thought that it is best to find some job opportunities out there and let you know so that you can apply and get a job soon. And stay tuned until the end of the video so that I will tell you some tips on how to apply and how to get this position. Alright, so let's get started. So before going to the job opportunities, let me tell you a little bit about the company. The company is PBG Consulting, located in McLean, and I can guarantee and tell you, being a former employee, very nice management, very good company to work with. They have plenty of benefits, including but not limited to health insurance, vision, dental, 401k plan, long-term, short-term disability, and many other functions like throughout the year, like seasonal events, educational events, training programs, and also if you want to have some career growth, you have the opportunity over there as well. So pretty nice company to work with. So let's see what the job opportunities are. Okay, so the 5 IT job positions that I'm talking about today is Cloud Solutions Architect, Enterprise Solution Architect, Program Manager IT Strategic and Policy Lead, and Consultant. So those are the 5 job opportunities they have. They have several other jobs as well, not related to IT, but I'm going to specifically talk about these 5 positions. So let's see what they need, their requirements.
Alright, so here we are in the pbgconsult.com, in the website, in the company website, and once you get to the career page, you will see the first position, as I mentioned, the Cloud Solutions Architect, and that the main requirements are you need a bachelor's degree or higher qualification, or even without a degree, if you have 10 years experience in computer science, they consider that as well, which is a good thing. And also they look for 5 years experience with the AWS cloud services, which is a must. And if you see here, the other factors are 10 years of experience finding and fixing critical customer-facing production issues, and experience in development of object-oriented software with languages like Java, C++, Python, and many other. So I would say this is a position mainly for somebody who has some background on cloud services, AWS cloud, and some languages as well. So if you have a computer degree and some background on cloud service, I think you are definitely a good fit. For preferred qualifications, they say a master's degree or 15 years of experience in computer science. So whichever higher that you have your qualifications, you can put it there and submit the resume. And the next opportunity that I talked about is Enterprise Solution Architect, which is more or less the same requirements. They say again bachelor's in computer science or equivalent required, minimum of 5 years experience, and the main thing they are looking for this particular position is application of EA frameworks. So if you have this qualification, I'm sure that will be a good good resume that you can apply and see. And if you have this particular qualification with the computer degree, I think you'll be a good fit, so you can apply for the position. And the other role that I talked about is the consultant position, which requires a bachelor's degree, 8 years of work experience, and ability to technically hands-on in servicing the requirement of a client, and ability to obtain a public trust. So you do not need to have the citizenship to get the public trust. You do require a green card, but I think it's always best to apply if you're a citizen, because I know that even though they say that it is okay with the green card, but sometimes it does require the citizenship. And the other position I mentioned here is the IT Strategy and Policy Lead. this position requires a bachelor's in public policy, information management systems or equivalent. Minimum of 8 years experience, which is, in the same sector. And considering the professional skills, they do require excellent verbal, graphical and interpersonal and written communication skills and analytical skills, problem solving, decision making capabilities. Lot of things that they are looking into this position, but I think that is also a very good opportunity that is out there in PBG.
Alright, so the last opportunity I'm talking about is the program manager position, which is located at PBG, which is in McLean. 80% of your time you will be spending there, and the 20% of the time will be in the client site in DC. And this position requires a bachelor's degree in computer science, MIS, business engineering or other IT related field, project management professional certification or equivalent. So PMP certification is kind of added requirement that they're looking into, and 3 years of experience with developing and maintaining project schedules, tracking and monitoring the progress of the project activities, reporting status, risk and issues, and recommending adjustments to ensure the successful completion of projects. And 3 years of experience with technical task management and software lifecycle. So if you have project management skills and program management skills, especially on the IT field, I think this is a very good opportunity. And it's good that if somebody who's willing to travel, who doesn't like to stay in one place, because this position you have to go back and forth with DC and McLean, 2 locations. Okay, so those are the 5 job opportunities, and you can see here there are many other job opportunities not related to IT, but I talked about the IT positions, and there are a few other IT positions as well with PBG. So you can go ahead and look into all the requirements and see if anything matches, and you can send your resume to them. Okay, so I hope you have a good understanding about the job opportunities now. So let me tell you some secret facts. Being a former employee, I believe that these are the things that they are looking into most. Number 1, which is the confidence and the personality. If you are really planning to apply for this opportunity, because most of the job positions that they have to deal with the client, so they're looking for that personality, the confidence that they can take it towards the client. So make sure that when you go for the interview, have that confidence, talk nicely with the good smile on your face, look at their eyes and have the eye contact while you talk. And number 2 is their interview process is really long. It takes time, and they have several interviews, actually multiple interviews with several people, for the fact that they really want to find the right candidate. So if you think you do not have the qualifications, do not apply, do not waste their time or your time, because it's no point really, because they are very picky on find their employees, giving the right opportunity to the right candidate. They're very particular on that. And number 3 is, with all the resumes they get, if you want to stand out, make sure your resume has written in a point form with the qualifications that exactly matches the job description, because they get plenty of resumes and they do not have time to go through everything. So if you can highlight the job description, the requirements they're looking for in your resume, there's no doubt, guys, you can stand out. Okay, so I think this will be helpful for you to find the opportunity. Please do comment and give me your ideas, and let me know if you need more information on other job opportunities out there. And also if you have applied, or if you really like to apply, I have put down all the information in the description box. You can go ahead and apply, send your resume to their email. Okay guys, so it's all for today, and stay tuned for my next video with some other job opportunities.